Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen Chege and the YouTube channel is Maureen Chege'S Lifestyle. Thank you so much for your continued support, for watching my videos, liking, encourage me to continue doing this. I really appreciate a lot. So on today's menu, we're going to prepare chicken gizzards and maybe ugali and yeah, and some cream. So let's get into the video. So in the meantime, don't forget to like, share, watch my videos, comment down below. Thank you so much. Let's get to the cooking. So here are the products we're going to use for the video. Here are our chicken gizzards. We have onion, lemon. Hii tutatumia kuoshea our gizzards. We have tomatoes, saumu, cooking oil. We have, for the seasonings, we have garam masala, we have paprika, we have cubes, we have turmeric, black pepper, cumin seeds. The next one we have mixed spices, chilies, light soy sauce. You can also use dark soy sauce. I don't have it for today. And we have royco cube, royco. We have dhania, spinach, and salt. So I think first we're going to clean our gizzards. Here we go. Here's the lemon I've showed you. Should clean them very well. So for the next step, we're going to boil our gizzards. Yeah. I'll add garlic, like 3 cloves. And salt to taste. So as our chicken gizzard gets ready, as it boils, let's prepare the ingredients that we're going to use in the video. So for the tomatoes, I'm going to grate them. I get a bigger. They're already clean. I'd washed them before I place them on the chopping board. You can use a blender, but I find it easier just by grating them. So let's cut our onions. We can cut them into smaller pieces, kama vile tunataka round cubes, but I find it easier kuzikata hivi. And our gizzards are boiling. I know you guys will enjoy this recipe. It's easy, yummy, refreshing. First thing first, I'll cut the stems. I love using the stems. When I'll be cooking the onions, I'll add the dania stems. Alafu our chicken gizzards ikiiva pale mwisho ndo nitaweka matawi. Ndo flavor ya coriander ingie kwa the chicken gizzards. And by now, you know, I love chicken very much. So anything that has to do with chicken, I can eat. And I will cook it. So our ingredients are ready. So easy tutazitengeneza later, ndo zizipoe ndo tutamalizia nayo. Gizzards are still boiling. They are almost ready. So in a hot pan, I'll add in cooking oil. And our gizzards, our boiled gizzards. I'll add one by one. You can cook them kulingana na size unataka. I just want them big. We'll fry them until golden brown. At this point, you can add in your garlic. We can also add in our onions. Can see them sizzling. They already look good. Inakaa vizuri. So let's trust the process, guys. Oops, sorry, I almost forgot the coriander stems. So our onions are cooked. We don't want them to get burnt. We can add in our spices. As I told you before, I have already mentioned the spices I've used. Oops, sorry for the mess. This is light soy sauce. You can use that also. It looks good already. Mix them very well. Also adding our tomatoes. I said you can blend them, but for me I just grated them. So let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the oil separates. Our paste is getting thicker, so let us wait for a few minutes and it will be ready. Meantime, let's prepare our greens. I've already prepared the onions, oil and salt. We're not going to add tomatoes because we've already added tomatoes in the chicken gizzards, I mean, sorry. So don't mind the shape. Atukuli shape, tutakula utamu. And I love cutting my greens in the house because nitaviosha vizuri. Unajua sasa huku nje unaoshwa na maji. Sijui imeoshea watu wangapi. So napenda kujikatia mboga kama nitakata kubwa kubwa. Yeah, zote zitafika kwa tumbo. Naweza sikia gizzards zinasima iko almost ready. So chunks zetu ziko sawa, najua ni kubwa but anyway. Takula tu hivyo. Our gizzards are ready. So for the next step, you're going to prepare ugali and the spinach. Maji yetu ya ugali yamechemka. So I use 1 cup of ugali flour. Juu mimi na ugali, we are not friends. Vile sasa huwezi kula mchele daily. Taongeza kidogo tu imekuwa nyepesi. Don't mind the mess in the kitchen. Because I can make mess, you're doing nothing. So my ugali is ready. See. For the next step, we're going to prepare our spinach, cooking oil, onion, as I've said, I don't use tomatoes in my greens. You already tushatumia kwa the chicken gizzards. So we'll cook until the onions are softened. So at this point I can add in my greens. Changanya vizuri. Don't overcook your greens. So at this point I'll add in Royco cube. So our food is ready. So our dinner is ready. I hope you're enjoying my videos. At this point, okay, my camera died, so I know the camera is not doing the food justice. It looks good. It looks nice, very nice, yummy. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I love you. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.